Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to change the wallpaper. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's choose the display. And here let's choose wallpaper and theme. Okay, and here you've got the My Wallpaper section. Simply click on it, and as you can see, you can choose from the gallery or from the wallpapers which are already on your LG. So let me choose something from here. For example, this one. And now you can choose if you want to apply it on the home screen or on the lock screen or both. So let me choose, for example, apply it only on the home screen and click on Set Wallpaper. And when we will get back, as you can see, we've got the new wallpaper applied. So we can get back to the settings, click on Display again, Wallpaper and Theme, and let's choose it also on the lock screen. Click on Set Wallpaper, and that's all. After switching it off, it will be the same wallpaper as on the home screen. So that's all. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave that thumbs up.